How to get more profile views on LinkedIn. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple things you can do to get more profile views on LinkedIn. First, open LinkedIn and click on your profile section. Make sure your profile photo and banner image are filled in. Profiles with both get way more views, and a banner adds a professional touch that makes people want to click through. Then start posting content regularly. Click Start a Post from your homepage and share something related to your industry. A tip, an opinion, a recent project. The more you post, the more often your profile shows up in people's feeds. Also, make time to engage with other people's posts. Like, comment, and share content in your industry. Every time you comment, your name and profile become visible to everyone in that post's audience. Lastly, you can build your connection. Click on Add Connection and connect the people in your field. And that's it. A few small tweaks and a bit of consistent activity can make a big difference in how many people find and view your profile.